Natal chart. In astrology, your natal chart, sometimes called birth chart, is a graph that shows the positions of the planets and astrological houses in the sky at the moment of your birth. Your natal chart is much more detailed and accurate than your horoscope. A popular horoscope considers only the position of the sun, whereas your natal chart includes hundreds of pieces of data. Mark Twain once said, "The difference between a good word and the right word is like the difference between fire and firefly." Similarly, your popular horoscope may hold some hints of truth, but your natal chart tells us the real story of your natural personality. Analyzing the planetary positions and relationships in your natal chart affords a remarkably profound and revealing glimpse into your natural character, with its inherent strengths and weaknesses. Among other things, your natal chart will tell you: A. What type of partner and relationship you seek and will be best matched with. B. What type of job or career your natural strengths and weaknesses are best suited for. And C. Obstacles that need to be overcome in your life. Most importantly, your natal chart will help you to understand your desires, motivations, and why you are the way that you are. For a natal chart to be accurate, we must know the exact positions of the stars at the exact moment of your birth. Since the houses of the zodiac revolve 1 degree every 4 minutes, an accurate time of birth is necessary to determine your ascendant sign and some planetary aspects. Although you can generate a natal chart without these highly time-sensitive positions included, to have a more accurate chart that is generated with an exact time and place of birth, it is good to invest in the help of a good astrologer. Someone such as Capricorntigress, Adrienne, of Astrology, A Look Inside. Visit the website at astrologyaLookInside.com to order a natal report or an actual reading today. Thank you for listening. This has been an astrology and numerology educational message from Astrology, A Look Inside.